Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The control button, very important in Corel. This is going to be a little short video. You have a line typed out, a sentence or whatever, and you want to delete some things. So you put here and I'm going to go to my keyboard, automatic keyboard or online keyboard, and I'm going to select that back to there. Easier said than done. Well, see, it's there. And you delete one letter at a time by hitting the backspace. Well, if you will hold down, let me move this up. If you hold down the control button and then hit the backspace button, you delete a word at the time. So it would save you a lot of time if you were trying to delete. Now, that's not that big a deal because you could always take your text tool, and if you want to delete from there, you just select them and delete them. But just in case, if you wanted to say just delete that word, you could do the same thing, but control backspace and you'll take that word out. But it's not that big a deal because you can always just select it all. Let me deselect it, select it all and hit delete. It'll take that word out. But that's just another little two hotkey deal that is built into Corel and maybe a lot of other word type programs. I don't know. Anyway, I hope that gave you a little idea and thank you for watching.